performance, Sebastian. Especially my little Ariel.
Ah, yes. She has the most beautiful voice. If only she'd show up for rehearsals once in a while.
We are the daughters of Triton, great father who loves us and named us well, Aquata.
Ariel!
Daddy!
What's that you're hiding? No. You went up to the surface again, didn't you? Didn't you?
Daddy, I'm 16 years old. I'm not a child.
Don't you take that tone of voice with me, young lady. As long as you live under my ocean, you'll obey my rules.
But if you would just listen.
I am there. Never to hear of you going to the surface again. Is that clear?
Ariel, what is all this?
It's my collection.
Oh, your collection. Have you lost your mind? Ariel, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. Ah! Oh no! Ah! The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake.
I dream about going up there.
No, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things surround you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. They work all day, they slave away, while we devote full time to floating under the sea. And the new play the flute, and the cow play the harp, and the bass play the bass, and the sound the shout. Oh, the bass play the brass, and the drum play the drum, and so that blowfish blow. Ariel, tell me, what is better than all this?
Sebastian, you don't understand.
Trust me, everything you need is right here under the sea. Oh! What the? Big finish! Under the sea! When the satin begins to be it's music to me. What do they got? A lot of sand. We got a hot crustacean band. Little clam here, know how to jam you under the sea. Each little slug here, touching right here under the sea. Each little snail here, know how to win here. That's why it's hotter under the water. The Ariel light here, down in the back here under the sea. Oh man!
How delicious. Daddy's little princess wants to be with the humans. It looks like Triton has a weakness after all. Flotsam, Jetsam, bring her to me. Poor child, poor sweet child. Ursula can help me. Ursula can make all your dreams come true.
Secret?
Now, Angel Fish, you're here because you want to be with the humans. Find your prince, fall in love. Well, the solution to your problem is quite simple. Become a human yourself.
Can you do that?
Oh, my dear sweet child, that's what I do. It's what I live for. I'll make a potion that will turn you into a human for 3 days. Before the sun sets on the 3rd day, you've got to get dear old Princey to kiss you. Not just any kiss, the kiss of true love. If you do that, you'll remain human permanently. But if you don't, you'll turn back into a mermaid, and you'll belong to me.
If I become human, I'll never be with my father or sisters again.
That's right. But you'll have your dream. Life's full of tough choices, isn't it? Oh, there is one more thing, sweet cakes. No more talking, singing, zip.
But without my voice, how can I?
You'll have your looks, your pretty face, and don't underestimate the importance of body language. Come on, you poor unfortunate soul! Go ahead, make your choice. I'm a very busy woman and I haven't got all day. It won't cost much, just your voice. You poor unfortunate soul! It's sad, but true. If you want to cross a bridge by speed, you've got to pay the toll. Take a gulp, take a breath, and go ahead and start the scroll. Jackson, now I got it, boys. The boss is on a roll. This poor, unfortunate soul. Beluga Sivula on wings of the cosmic sea. Princess Glaucitis and ex-laryngitis, the portrait to me. Now sing. Keep singing. Sing.
What's your name? What is it? You can't speak? It's okay. I'm Ariel.
Has he kissed her yet?
No, and there's only one day left. You want something done? You've got to do it yourself. First, we've got to create the mood. Percussion. String. Wind. Words. Yeah, you see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl.
Did you hear something?
Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. Possible she wants you to. There is one way to ask her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. Sing it with me now. Sha la 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 la, my oh my. Look like the boy too shy. Gonna kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la, ain't that sad? Ain't it a shame too bad? We gonna miss the girl.
You know, I feel really bad not knowing your name. Maybe I can guess. Is it Mildred? Okay, no. How about Diana? Rachel?
Ariel. Her name is Ariel.
Ariel. Ariel? That's kind of pretty. Okay. Ariel.
Sha la 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 la, put us on and listen to the song. The song say, kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la, the music say, look at the music say, you got to kiss the girl. You got to kiss the girl. Go on and kiss the girl.
Close. Too close. At this rate, he'll be kissing her by sunset for sure. Well, it's time Ursula took matters into her own tentacles. Triton's daughter will be mine.
Ariel!
Eric!
Your voice!
You're too late.
Sebastian.
It's like I always say, Your Majesty. Children got to be free to lead their own lives.
Well, then I guess there's just one problem left.
And what's that, Your Majesty?
How much I'm going to miss her. Ariel,
Daddy!
I'm sorry you had to lose your voice in order for me to hear you.